Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best tablets in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these tablets. You can check out the description below. So let's get started.
1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the ultimate Android tablet. Its 14.6-inch display takes full advantage of the new One UI operating system that plays nicely the included S Pen stylus and optional keyboard. So it should make for a great device when it comes to artwork, editing documents, taking notes, and other productivity tasks. With a 1848 by 2960 resolution and smooth at a 120Hz refresh rate, that display is also big and beautiful, as well as being rather slick. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage means under the hood the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra makes a worthy argument as a laptop replacement. In our review, we were very impressed with both the performance and the slick software. Samsung's One UI software makes this feel like a real laptop with enhanced multitasking capabilities that you simply won't find on Google or Apple tablets. And Qualcomm's powerful chip keeps everything feeling smooth. The only issue OS, this is a double-edged sword in that the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra feels like a laptop without quite doing everything a true laptop can. Yet as a big, powerful tablet, the S9 Ultra is unmatched. 2. Google Pixel Tablet with Charging Speaker Dock. The Google Pixel Tablet comes with Google's tablet-optimized take on Android that debuted in Android 12L and later reached maturity in Android 13. The Pixel Tablet is a genuine pleasure to use as the company has built out a suite of apps that now work well with large screen devices and tablets, including the Google suite of apps, its entertainment apps like YouTube, Google Play apps, and more. This tablet isn't meant for productivity, though. With many people opting to use their tablets as productivity enhancers, and with the iPad and Tab S series playing to those strengths, the Pixel tablet doesn't quite reach the top end on this list, but it more than earns its place here. As Google would explain it, you're meant to see it as an entertainment device, whether you lean into the company's positioning of this as a smart home device, or you use it simply as a tablet. With a lovely screen, a powerful speaker dock, and quick updates, the Pixel tablet certainly lives up to the hype. 3. OnePlus Pad 11.61 inches LCD display, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, MediaTek Dimensity 9000. OnePlus's first tablet was impressive with some of the perks we expect from OnePlus phones. It integrates with both OnePlus and Oppo phones, ships with Android 13, has a sharp and bright LCD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, a large battery with 67W super fast charging, and very loud speakers. Certainly, the iPad can seem better at being a tablet due to its large variety of tablet-optimized apps, but OnePlus just about matches it in day-to-day use. To be fair, we found it was held back by the performance that wasn't quite as speedy as what you could get on the best phones. It uses a MediaTek Dimensity 9000, a chip that's a step down from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that most of the top Android phones, the OnePlus 11 included, are equipped with. This meant that for some heavy tasks like using Adobe Lightroom, there was enough lag that it would be annoying. On the other hand, if you're using it mostly for entertainment, you would be fine. Due to the weak Android tablet market, the OnePlus also didn't offer separate storage offerings. It did, however, come with a lovely green shade that we praised in our review. 4. Lenovo Yoga Tab 13.0 Touch Tablet Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. The Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 is a really interesting tablet, one that goes well beyond just being a smartphone with a bigger screen. That starts with its design, as it has a built-in stand that lets you angle it on surfaces without any sort of case, or even hang it off things, hence the Yoga name. We found this incredibly useful, as we could easily position the tab on different surfaces when streaming music or movies. The Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 also has a large speaker housed in the stand section at the bottom. This is bigger and more powerful than most tablet speakers, so it's a treat for watching movies and playing games on, even without headphones. Plus, The Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 has a micro HDMI port, which is an unusual find on a tablet. This allows you to connect it to other devices so you can easily output the display on a larger screen or use it as a second screen for a computer. And we found the Tab a great device to use as a portable second screen. On top of all that, it also has the tablet basics down, including a large 13-inch screen, a powerful Snapdragon 870 chipset, and a big 10,200 mAh battery, complete with speedy 30W charging support. It lacks a camera on the back, but that's the only real omission here.
5. Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 6th generation. The iPad Pro 12.9, 2022, is, as of 2023, Apple's ultimate tablet, and one which packs laptop-class power, thanks to an M2 chipset. Arguably, this is overkill, since almost nothing you do on a tablet can even tax the M1 from the previous generation, but it certainly makes this future-proof. In most other ways, this is much like the iPad Pro 12.9, 2021, including having a massive 12.9-inch screen that uses mini LED to create a superior picture than you'll find on smaller iPads. It's also remarkably thin and light for all the tech on offer, and has handy features like Face ID, capable cameras, and of course support for accessories like Apple's Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil 2, the latter of which is better than ever here, thanks to hover detection, which makes this even better for drawing on than other iPads. Yes, the iPad Pro 12.9, 2022, is very expensive, and it's probably overkill for most users. But if you want a super-powered slate, this is it.